Hello and welcome back to Daily Space Facts. Today we take a look at the Artemis program. On April 1st, 2026, a new chapter in human exploration began. For the first time in over half a century, humans left low Earth orbit and set course for the moon. This is not a repeat of Apollo. This is Artemis, NASA's bold plan to return to the lunar surface, to stay, and to use the moon as our launchpad to Mars and beyond. The Artemis program is NASA's most ambitious human spaceflight initiative since the 1960s. Named after the Greek goddess of the moon and twin sister of Apollo, Artemis is designed to be sustainable, inclusive, and international. Its goals: land the first woman and the next man on the moon, explore the mysterious lunar South Pole, build a lasting presence on another world, prepare humanity for the journey to Mars. Today, as the Artemis II crew orbits Earth on their way to fly around the moon, let's dive deep into this incredible program. Apollo taught us how to get there. Artemis will teach us how to live there. The lunar South Pole holds billions of tons of water ice in permanently shadowed craters, a resource that can be turned into rocket fuel, oxygen, and drinking water. This isn't just science. It's the foundation of a lunar economy. Artemis will also answer big questions. How does the moon influence Earth's history? Can we survive long-duration deep space? And most
Let's check the airlock seals.
can we become a multi-planetary species?
Panel is green. Systems
This
normal.
time,
Confirmed.
we're not
Good
going
work,
alone.
team. Let's
Over
review the
60
next
nations
procedure.
have signed the Artemis Accords, agreeing to peaceful, transparent, and sustainable exploration of space. Let's walk through the Artemis campaign, step by step. Artemis 1st, 2022. The Uncrewed test flight, the most powerful rocket ever built, the Space Launch System, sent the Orion spacecraft 280,000 miles away, beyond the far side of the moon, and safely back to Earth. A flawless dress rehearsal. Artemis II, launched April 1st, 2026. The first crewed mission since Apollo 17, in 1972. 4 astronauts, including the first Canadian on a lunar mission, are now testing Orion's life support systems on a 10-day journey around the moon. They will travel farther from Earth than any human in history. This flight proves we're ready for deep space again. Artemis III, target mid-2027. The big one. Humans will land on the moon again. This time near the South Pole. Astronauts will step onto the surface using a commercial human landing system developed by private industry. Artemis 4 and beyond. 2028. Onward. More landings, delivery of the Lunar Gateway Station components, and the beginning of a permanent outpost. Each mission will be more ambitious, staying longer, and pushing technology further. By the 2030s, Artemis will pave the road to Mars. The backbone of Artemis, Space Launch System, SLS, the most powerful rocket in the world. Block 1 already flew. Future versions will be even more capable. Orion spacecraft, the crew capsule that will carry astronauts to the moon and back. Built to survive the harshest environment in deep space. Human Landing System, HLS, developed by SpaceX and Blue Origin. Next generation lunar landers. Lunar Gateway, a small space station in lunar orbit that will act as a staging point, science lab, and refueling depot for future missions. International partners are building critical pieces. Europe's service module, Canada's robotic arm, contributions from Japan, and many more. Artemis isn't just about the moon. It's about creating the technologies, experience, and international cooperation we need to send humans to Mars. Sustainable power systems, in situ resource utilization, long-duration life support, radiation protection, all will be proven on the moon first. This program represents humanity's next giant leap, not for one nation, but for all of us. As the Artemis II crew continues their historic journey, we stand on the threshold of a new era, an era where the moon is no longer a distant destination. but a home away from home, where the next generation will grow up knowing that Mars is within reach. The Artemis generation is here, and the stars are calling. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next chapter of humanity's greatest adventure.